Also, I got my timer going down on my phone and my watch, so. Hiya!
How long we go for 7 miles? 10 miles we go?
So we just find a good place.
Who chooses 7 miles? You choose the 7 miles.
I choose the
don't
7
you?
miles.
Sure.
You're welcome if it's nice, and I'm sorry if it's not nice.
We find a nice place.
Let's go, all of
Not moving
us.
past it. I mean, we're not walking 7 miles just to go down the beach, yeah?
One
Yeah.
second, because I cannot take a picture and walk.
Bye bye.
Yeah.
Welcome to the beach.
Thank you, man.
The beach here, ambulance and Wi-Fi for you guys.
No, thanks for that. Thank you, man.
Yeah.
Cheers. Whoa.
Yeah.
I like these
Look at
ones.
that, look how clear the water is.
Yeah. Good that I buy the expensive short. $30. Well, it's quality. She told me many times I can wash the short and the color will be still the same. I was like, wow, I buy this.
What does it matter? You're gonna be swimming. You're gonna be swimming in the moonlight. What does it matter?
Oh, we can see our ship there. Look at that. Nice. Hey, it's really beautiful. I need to say that was a great choice. Good job. Good job, guys. Great choice. We can't even see our cruise there. Cayman 7 miles beach.